In this episode, I was invited to a Persian home to learn how to make my favorite Middle Eastern dish, lamb shanks with crispy Persian rice. These recipes are passed down through generations.
These are coming from my grandma.
And I had the honor to learn how to cook it with my friend's aunt who just landed from Iran. But before we begin, let me introduce you to our chef of the day. Now if you're ready, let's get started. First, we will need 4 onions and 4.5 pounds lamb shanks. And a handful of garlic cloves.
با چاقوی تیز سوراخ می‌کنیم از این سیرا می‌زنیم داخلش.
Two garlic, right? In each one? How many did you chant?
بستگی داره بعد سیرا.
Stuff 2 to 3 garlic cloves into each lamb shank.
4 onions.
می‌ذاریم برای زیر مرچ. نصفشو برای داش.
Half of it is for the bottom, and then what's the نصفش می‌ذاریم کجا?
این زیرش برای زیر ماهیچه‌ها رو می‌خوام سرخ کنیم بزنیم.
And then
اینا رو می‌ریزیم.
okay, and half of it goes on the top.
Oh, okay.
After we washed and dried the lamb shanks, we're going to heat up some oil.
احمد جون میگه وقتی ایران درست می‌کنین چقدر طول می‌کشه لم شک مثلا بخواد تو ایران
صبح مثلا بذارم 1 دام
8 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Oh, okay. That's actually not too long.
And as required in her recipes, the chef must dance during any waiting period. Back to the oil. We will need to wait for it to completely heat up to sear all sides of the lamb shanks.
You should put saffron on top of the lamb shank too.
Have you not learned that in every single Persian recipe there's saffron in it? You put it in your tea, you put it in your food, in your rice.
I didn't know. Now I'm learning.
Okay, back to this. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of hot water with half a teaspoon saffron. I would suggest using a deep skillet or even wok here. Once all the sides are browned, place lamb shanks in a Dutch oven where the sliced onions are placed. She has a big family to serve, so we have a few more lamb shanks to brown.
This is really good.
Now we're going to prepare the spices.
آره جوز هندی.
Rosemary.
No, جوز هندی, nutmeg.
Oh, nutmeg.
We call it جوز هندی. فلفل, black pepper. زنجفیل, ginger. Cardamom.
Yep, still browning lamb shanks, but we are down to the last few. By the way, if you want to receive notifications for all my videos, make sure you change the setting from personalized to all after you've subscribed. Otherwise, you'll only get selected ones.
Oh, wow.
بهتره? She said that's actually better. It needs to be like that.
So this is the color you are looking for.
We're adding saffron to the lamb shanks. زعفرونه که بمیزیم روی ماهیچه‌ها. It looks really good though with the saffron.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then we're gonna add the remaining sliced onions and garlic to cover the lamb shanks.
An onion on top. Sliced onion.
Next, we're going to add water into the mixed spices we prepared earlier. And drizzle the spice mixes over the lamb shanks.
So it needs to cook now. Immediately, 3 hours or so.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna cook low heat. Yeah. Oh, okay.
In a separate pot, she's boiling the carrots with a few tablespoons of saffron water. I told you, saffron is in everything. Even the carrots need saffron. What delicacy.
She's gonna boil some carrots because she usually leaves it around the
lamb.
around it though.
Then add some lime juice. Cover and cook on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes or until tender. Drain carrots and coat it with a tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. Cover and let it sit. And while we're waiting, we might as well dance to some Persian music. Okay, we're back at it. It's been 2 hours now and we're going to flip the lamb shanks.
She said at the end, once it's cooked, you add the salt. Oh, she's showing you the water.
Oh,
همه جو میخواد بگیره بهش نشون بدیم. Show her the water.
yeah. All from the onions.
Yeah.
Not quite done yet, so we will continue to cook on low heat. Looks like it's pretty close. Let's try it out. It's pretty close. We're now going to baste the lamb shanks and let it simmer for a little longer. See all this excess liquid? It's all from the onions. Remember, we did not add any water to it.
Depends on how salty you also want it. She was like, it depends. Some people want it more saucy. Cook شده?
آره.
Oh, she said it's fully cooked now.
As you can see, I'm being completely useless here, just salivating and waiting to feast. Nothing goes to waste. The liquid is used as sauce and is served with the lamb shanks. And of course we can't miss out on the Persian dilled rice. Look how beautifully she layered it with the saffron rice. I think my face says it all. In the upcoming episode, I'll be showing you guys how I copied and enhanced the banana pudding from Magnolia Bakery in New York City. The bakery was featured in Sex and the City and its fame grew beyond New York after. But I'm telling you, my copycat version tastes even better. The inspiration actually came from Texas, and there's a story behind it, so make sure you tune in for the next episode, and I'll see you guys in the next video.